Hey everyone, Crypto Tony here for Upside Down, and this video is all about how to set up and install LIFTOFF.
Hello and welcome to LIFTOFF. Congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming the expert. Today I'm going to show you how to install and set up LIFTOFF on a desktop computer. First of all, LIFTOFF is not a download. It's an invite-only indicator on the TradingView platform, so you'll need to create a TradingView account in order to use LIFTOFF. We recommend you sign up for a free trial of the Pro plan using our referral link at the bottom of our webpage. Once on TradingView's website, you can choose your plan. A paid TradingView membership is not required in order to use LIFTOFF. However, having a paid subscription will give you more capabilities, such as setting alerts or additional data. LIFTOFF will work with the free account, so there's no commitment required to utilize this platform. After you register on TradingView's platform, we will need your TradingView username so we can share the LIFTOFF indicators with you. If you did not previously give this to us, you can log in and give us this information. One tip to save money is that TradingView will offer you a 50% discount if you sign up for the free trial and then cancel before the trial period expires. If you only want to use a free account when you cancel, you will always have that option. After you have given us your TradingView username, we will be able to share LIFTOFF with your TradingView account. This is a manual process. We usually upload LIFTOFF within an hour of your purchase, but it could take a little longer. We're based in Europe, so we may be asleep when you sign up. Please be patient. After we have added LIFTOFF to your profile, you can add it to your chart from the invite-only script section of the Indicators and Strategies tab. Now let's prepare your chart for crypto trading. By default, we recommend the 2-hour time frame. Save this as part of your favorites and ensure that 2 hours, 4 hours, and 1 day are all favorited. This way, you can progressively increase the time frame in order to gather a big picture of the current market. If you're using a free account, please ensure that you delete the volume indicator, as there is a 3 indicator limit on the TradingView free platform. Now, load the LIFTOFF indicators by going to the Indicators tab and the Invite-Only Scripts section. Here on the Invite-Only Scripts section, the first step is to load LIFTOFF. This can be used to trade anything: crypto, stocks, forex, whatever you want. Second, load the LIFTOFF Skim and Take Profit Oscillator. Finally, load the LIFTOFF Afterburner. There are 2 versions of the Afterburner. One is for trading stocks, and the crypto version can be used for crypto or forex. Now that you have all 3 indicators loaded, we can make a few simple adjustments in order to get the best presentation. The first thing we can do is zoom in on the chart. This is done on the right-hand side by dragging the price scale up. This gives us a more clear idea of today's price action. Second, we recommend using TradingView's dark theme. If you use a light color theme, I can show you later how to fix the monthly pivots over here on the right in order to display. Next, we want to drag LIFTOFF to the top of the object tree. This is done by clicking the object tree panel and dragging LIFTOFF to the very top. This moves LIFTOFF above all other TradingView indicators, including candles, and prevents them them from being hidden. Now, let's clean up the presentation. If you go into the settings menu, to symbol, here you can turn off borders. You can also change the color of candles to match. Within the status line menu, you'll get some options that can clean up the presentation. If you notice, there's a lot of arguments up here by the indicators. We can turn off arguments and values. That cleans up the chart quite a bit. You can even turn off indicator titles to fully clean up the chart. Now that we have a clean chart on a dark background, we can begin trading. If you use TradingView's light colored theme, one thing you need to do is change the text color for the pivot points. You can do this by clicking on the settings tab or by going into a buy or a sell signal and going to settings. Here you want to scroll down to the monthly pivot point section and find the default text color white, change this to black. And then you want to do the same thing for daily pivot points. Change the white text color to black. You can save these as defaults and then hit OK. That's everything you need to set up Liftoff and begin trading. If you want to learn more about what the symbols in Liftoff mean, head over to the support page of our website where you'll find frequently asked questions. To learn more about how to use Liftoff, join our Discord group where we offer help, advice, and friendship. Thanks for purchasing Liftoff.